Dear viewers, in our previous lecture, I have just shown you that how we'll create that model perfectly. Okay, so and also I have told you that we have created all of our all for that model, and I've told you in this lecture I will try to cover that how we'll create windows and also how we'll create door for our model. So for that, what we'll do, first of all, we have to see what is the size of our windows, main windows. So 4 feet, 4 feet, all of our windows is 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet, and 4 feet for kitchen, that is 2 feet, 2 feet, and for our toilet, that is 1 feet, 1 feet 6 inch, right? 1 feet 6 inch. And okay, and for door, this is 3 feet 6 inch for our main door, and for toilet and kitchen, that is 2 feet 6 inch. Okay, that is 2 feet 6 inch. And for our the main approach door, that is 4 feet. Okay, so I'll just come here. First of all, I'll go architect, and first of all we'll create door. So I'll just click door. Okay, now we have to provide door. So this is single door. Okay, we'll use single door for here. Okay, for every point here, right? So for that, I'll just click here, and first of all we have to select a 336. Okay, 36 36 inch width, 36 inch width, and 80 feet height door here. But if you want to use different types of door, then you can use. So just I'm just using that, and how we'll use different types of door, that already I have shown you in our previous lecture, in our previous basic lecture. So that link are also given in description, you can watch that. So I'll just click that on. But here we can see that our height, will use height is 7 feet, right? We'll use height 7 feet. So 7 feet means 7 into 12, 7 into 12, that means 84, right? Our height of our windows will be 84. And width, what will be the width? 3 feet 6 inch, that means 42, 3.5 into 12, then that means 42. So but here we are seeing that our size is not okay. So what we'll do, it's simple. I have all again, in our previous lecture also show that how we'll edit that. So simply I'll click edit, then we'll create here a duplicate of it. Then I'll give here 42, 42, and here I'll take 84, sorry, 84. Then okay, but here duplicate have created, but here height not changed yet. So what we'll do, height, what will be the height? It will be 7 feet, right? It will be 7 feet. And what will be the width? Width will be 3 feet 6 inch, 3 feet 6 inch width, and trim width 3 inch, it's okay. And the trim projection 1 inch, it's okay, 1 inch, it's okay. And also height 6 inch. Thickness, what will be the thickness of your wall, windows? So I'm considering our windows thickness will be consider 6 inch. Okay, so after that I'll click here, okay. Just see, it's a changed, it's a changed. So when it's done, now I'll try to create door. So where here we have to provide door, here one. So here inside, you see, here we are trying to create door, but we're seeing that. So here what we'll do, actually we'll use again, we'll go for edit, and we'll use that thickness, door thickness, that will be 2 inch, it's okay. Then apply, then okay. So now see, here we are seeing that our door is not in position, so what we'll do, simply enter your space button. Just see, it's changed. Now zoom it little bit and just randomly place your door here. Just see, my door have been placed. Now you can move that at how much distance it will be from that inner face. Okay, so to see that, you can come here, and actually this is not a big issue. Okay, so we're considering that is 3 inch, that's okay. Okay, 3 inch, that is okay. Now for that wall also, here we have to create a wall, and again let's shift sorry, space button, then place your door here. Just see, door have been placed. Now you can change that distance by clicking here. I mean if you need to move that, and also if you want to move, just simply click here. You see, simply click here, it will move like that, right? So what I'll do, I'll just move here and here. So it's done. After that, same way we'll create a door here, right? We'll create a door here also. So for that, I'll just give 3 inch. It's done. And if for that room also, I'll create a door. So here I'll create a door and space shift. Just see, it's moved. So for 3 inch, it's okay. See, we have provided our all main doors, right? We have provided our all main doors here. Now we'll provide our that main here one door, and here two, and another 2 doors. So this door width will be 2 feet 6 inches. So I'll just simply change its value, because this door is no more needed. So here 2 feet, or if we need, we'll be able to change that later. So 2 feet 6 inches, then apply, then okay. Just see, it's changed. Now here I'll come. So here we need one door, here one door, and here one door. So I'll just come here, and I will space to move that. I will just give here, right? And also I'll just give here a door like that in 3 inch. So here on, and also I'll just give a door here, and to rotate that, or I'll just, I mean to mirror that, I will press space button. So this is 3 inch. So it's done, right? We have created all of our door perfectly here, and after that we have to create our main door here. We have to create our main door here. So to create our main door, here they have no door or we required, so I will use a double part door. So for that, what will do, I'll just simply click load family, and here I'll double click door, and I'll see that, sorry, I'll just again go door, and I'll sorry I'll just click again door, and here I'll click, so I'll click door, and they have many types of door. This is for residential, this is commercial, hardware. So I'll double sliding door. So here is a double sliding door, okay, and also a double glass door, double sliding door, and double flash panel. So they have double flash panel, and here the double flash panel, double acting. So I'll just use that door. Okay, it's okay, then click open. So here we have to change that value. We have to first of all, we'll not change any value from here. This one is perfect for us, okay, because this is 7 feet, this is 72, and this is 84. So I'll change that width. I'll click OK and wait for some time. So here they have many size of we have selected a size from here, 72 into 84. Okay, 72 into 84. So the height will be 84, that's okay, I mean 7 feet, but our width will be 48". So for that I'll just go for edit. Okay, and here width will be 4 feet. A 4 feet windows is enough. So 4 feet, and height will be it's okay, and everything is okay. I'll just simply click apply and okay, and here I'll just give a door. So in which direction, outside or inside? What will do actually? So I'll just go here. So here that all was in inside, so I'll also use I'll also use our all our windows in inside. So, and if you need to do that outside, so simply click here, or inside simply go in inside all or outside all, like that. So I'll just simply just see our that wall have created, what the windows have created. Then I'll skip, right? So I think I'll go for modify. So here we have done everything for our door, and we have created all of our door perfectly, and I hope it's okay. And if you want to see in 3D view, then 3D, just see, this is the 3D view of our structure. Okay, and by clicking here you can see different way, in different like shaded. Just see, this is the shaded, and control, by pressing control, so by pressing shift and by pressing middle point of your mouse, scrolling button of mouse, then you are able to see that perfectly, or actually at which way you require that, right? So here we have done that perfectly. Just see, we have done that. Okay, and I think our that door, right, I think our door, that thickness is not okay. So I'll click here, edit, family, and here I think it's okay, but if you need to change that, you can change as per your requirement, right? So I'll just click here. So I think no need to change that, right? So if you need to move that, okay, if you need to move that, then it's also okay. It's okay, I think so. So I'll just click modify and click skip. Actually I think no need to change that, so I'll just click here, and after that skip, and I'll just click here. Okay, so I think if you need to change that, you can change that like that way for a particular portion of the structure. So I think till that it's okay, and in our next lecture I will show you that how we'll create our next model, and how we'll create windows and how we'll complete our project. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.